Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brendo and welcome back to my channel. So right here, these are all my Leatherman items. So I just want to give you a stock tour, mini stock tour. So to give you an update of what we currently have. Alright, so let's start first with this ones. This is the mud sealed, okay, signal, aqua, okay, black signal. This one is the green with topo blade signal, okay, gray signal, crimson signal, skeletal CX black, super tool 300. We have a couple of F T2s and T4s. Okay, we have the Raptor here, the P2 Wave Plus. We have Wingman, Rebar, Sidekick, Wave Plus stainless. This one is a sealed Wave Plus black oxide. We have the Ainsworth premium leather sheet, skeletal Coyote tan, free K4, KBX denim. This one is a Juice CS4, Coyote tan OHT. This one is a Crunch P4, P2, the Mud. Okay, we have the Charge Plus G10, brand new. A couple of Surge here. This one is a lanyard ring. Okay, pocket clip, signal, bit extenders. Okay, this one is my personal Charge Plus titanium, though today I'm going to get another titanium or Charge Plus titanium, but with the updated pliers, without this cap crimper. So yeah, so this one is my personal Charge Plus titanium. Couple of carabiners. Okay, medium and large nylon sheets, rebar, curl. Okay, couple of Wave Plus. This box are I think sidekicks. Okay, so yeah, so these are my current stocks of Leatherman items. In the next few days, I'm going to post the next tools. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. This is Branzo from Branzo Gears and Gadgets, 0917-634-5916. Thank you.